Today, guys, we're going to open the PLAYDOH card stuff. And it comes with almost about, let's check, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, it says PLAYDOH. And you can make stuff, so let's open it. Where'd my scissors go? The end of the table. Oh, here they are. Oh, I must have got them in the kitchen. I think I got the wrong side. Oh, whoa! That's cool. It comes with a whole bunch of different shapes. Oh my god. A shopping cart. That's cool. What is in here? Oh. Oh, that's just so cute. Really fishy. And there's a little lemon with it. I think this is a shopping basket. Yeah, I think it is. Here is the final station. Oh, I think that's the cash register. It's so small. Oh, it actually opens. It goes back and forth and you need batteries. Do you need batteries for this? I don't think so. A cool mold or whatever it is. I don't know. Here's a rolling pin. Oh, this is the back of the station. Oh, here we are. It doesn't need batteries. Oh, a whole bunch of shapes again. I can't get it in. So, guys, it will need 2 batteries, but that's okay. So, that was not expected in the video, so I think this is where we... Is what see? Oh, yeah, I think if just put in the plate and then it makes a credit card or something. I don't know. It makes noises, like these noises, and then and I think it's supposed to move. What's this? Oh, that's weird. It makes noises. These are supposed to be buttons. These don't make noises. That's for sure. Let's use these scissors and cut open the packet. So, we have a banana cutter, see? And then we have a milk, I think. An apple, that's strange. And a slicer. Ooh, that's weird. Is this a scanner? I think so. And a roller, a carrot, and I think a cookie. Is that broccoli or cabbage? I don't know. But this is definitely a carrot. What's this? Oh, that's... where do I put this? Well, guys, I needed a bit of help, but that's okay. Ask help if you need them or anything. It doesn't matter. This looks like a phone. Check it! What? Why? Look it out there. Look at it. Look at it. 2. I've had enough of that silly phone. Or is it? I don't know. I may as well just take it off. What was that? Alright, I'll put it off to the side here. Or I could put it here where it was. Where do these shapes go? I'll probably just put shapes aside. Do you want to start playing after we open the last baggie. Oh my gosh. That isn't that expensive? So I'm gonna there, that's cute. Bit itchy at neck. But oof. This looks like a tough piece of sellotape, but I can manage. Let's open this up. It comes with a yellow Play-Doh, I think. And a red if you need a red. An apple. Cut and slice. Cut it all the way down to the red. And get out the red. The green's deeper inside the baggie. So let's get the green out of the baggie. And the white's even deeper in the baggie. Let's get it in down. Here we are. Do you want to start playing, guys? If yes, give a thumbs up. All right. Let's put the Play-Dohs off to the side here. So we can cut this the broccoli. Oh, I got mad cutting skills there. Just gonna use that for the broccoli. And this one. Oh wait, we'll use this for the leaf, and we'll use this for the broccoli. Okay, I'm gonna slice that in half. Okay, we put it just for this one, just for that one. Okay, let me press it down. Cut off these pieces. You know what's here? This little piece, and attach to it. See? And then we've got our carrot. Slide in there. Do you think that's all he needed? Yeah. So, we go on over the carrot. Come on, you need to pay. He fell off his seat again. All right, here he is. Coming along. Stay there. Don't move. All right, you need to pay. So here's our little wallet. What's he going to give us? We don't know. So let's find out what he makes. So he's taking it right out and getting a little half. What do you think he's making? Everyone shout what he's going to do. Yeah, he's going to make some money. The money. Ain't that right? So we're going to slice it. Slice, slice, slice. And slice this piece. And slice it all off. Here. Here, the grassy bit. Oh no. And here's his money. He's paying with a money. And what else do you think he might be paying with? A coin. That's right. He's paying with a coin too. And a pound quarter. That's enough for the shopkeeper to remember what he likes. He likes pound quarters. Let's slice up pound quarter size. Oh no. Too soon. He's ready to shop. So the lady at the cabinet opens the cabinet and gets that money in there. Slides it in and shuts it up. There we are. Here we are. He's putting it on. And then it slides over. And then it gets scanned when it comes out. So we just take that out. beep. It's being scanned. Look, come on. Look, come on.
That's super cool.
And then it's scanned.
Awesome.
Come on. Alright. It's got one thing scanned. The milk goes next. And it gets here. And then we... Oh no, that wasn't the green. Let's put it in the shopping cart. Oh, that was not expected. This is his card for being shopping. Okay? This is his card for being shopping. And a check mark on yellow. So what else did he need? He needed a banana unana. So we're going to sit it here. And it goes across. And then it gets scanned with the scanner. We're not finished yet, are we, guys? We've got more customers. But this one is got what he needs. And he needs his credit card to go out, didn't he? And I'll show you how to make that. So first you're going to need some white Play-Doh. Then make sure there's nothing on your roller. Then roll out your Play-Doh. Then roll it into a ball then. And take off the slight top of it. Then roll it into a ball. And then you'll need the top again. Put the roll inside. Make sure that it's totally in there. All of it inside. Then put it there. Then push it down. Oh, which is very strong. And then you'll need to cut it slightly down there in the middle. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We just take that piece off. Where's that scanner? And we need to check on both sides. Here we are. Here's your credit card for paying. Put it in your shopping cart. Not like that. Put it gently in. There. He's going home with his credit card. And there. He puts them all in the fridge. But not the credit card. Because it's not items, isn't it not? So, he's running off home. So, let's add the money code on it. Money code. There's our money code on every one of these. And they'll have thank you for shopping here in a second. Here we are. We'll have its card right down here. He'll have his credit money. And then he has, what else did I want him to have? Oh yeah, thank you for shopping card. So we'll just mold up this banana. Moldy banana. Then we're going to put on the other side the scan language. And we are, oh, yeah, we've still got him. He would like to shop a carrot. So let's just knead that back in because he's already got a carrot. Let's put that in his bag. Here. The crow wants a jar of milk. Isn't that right? He wants a jar of milk. But what do we make it out of? White Play-Doh, which I don't know where it is. Where is the white Play-Doh? What do you know? It's here. He doesn't really need this card. So let's mix it all up. And let's do this and make him a mold of milk. Let's roll out this mold and put the mold inside. But take around the excess. Then get the milk jar and put it inside. And he might be all finished shopping. He's all finished shopping. Milk and a carrot was all he needed. That's strange. Pardon me, sorry. Was eating too much. Alright. What else will he might need? Bread? That's maybe what he needs. Where is the bread? Can you spot the bread? I think it's under here. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was mistaken. I'm making some bread. Bready. Peel for the bread. Peel. Get you. Right. Let's put the bread in the shopping basket. Maybe that's all he needed. Yeah, that's all you needed. Nibble what you need it all. You need to pay now. Squawk. What is that? You only got 1 coin. That'll do me. 1 coin will do me fine. Isn't that right? At least he pays. He only got 1. I think I've got more money. Squawk. Ooh, let's see what else money he's got. Do you think he'll have a big change? Alright. If you think so, let's see. Oh yeah, you're right, guys. He does have. That's all he has when he's sick. That's all right with me. So let's it's kind of squished. Put this in there. Money. Let's put the money in here. So, let's go on back to scanning. Let's scan him. And where he comes from. And what did he want again? Bread. And he wanted milk. There's no milk. I'll probably just press this. And then I'll press. For he doesn't have it. What else do they want? Carrot. That's finished. I hope you enjoyed shopping here. Bye. falling off. No, that's nowhere. You put it gets shoved in there. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, subscribe and watch more. Alright, shush. Bye. Ooh. Okay, guys, we have her bag here. So he's ready to shop, and we have his credit card in his paw, and he's ready to shop it out. So we're gonna shop a banana first. And then we're gonna shop some corn and run it along. It goes in the shopping cart. Get out this and then and we got it. Everything's in the cart. So now he opens his wallet and notices that he's not getting any money. So we're gonna make him some money so he can pay for his treats. Because how he eat? How he be healthy? So let's make him some money. We don't really need this on the other pet. So let's make him 2 pieces of money. Guess how? All you need to do is take the top off of the banana and use it to make your number 1. So spread it out and then make another number 1. And subscribe if you like more. So he's got his coins to pay. That's enough for it. We scan his money actually. I'm scanning his money, and then you get the shopping bag and the money plops in it. So then the lady, the man, whoever you call it, puts all the money into the till. So let's shut it. So now that it's closed, the shop is going to be hard. But let's take out our scanner. So scan this. Look, Mom, look. I'm scanning the actual thing.
Oh.
Like in the film.
Very cool.
I'll just do this. And then, what did I buy? What did he buy? Put down in the comments what he got. Ooh, he got a banana, and he got an apple, and then what else? Broccoli. Actually, he can't do broccoli. I'll just, green food. He's got all his things in there. And we can slightly just put this too. And then I will be able to stand it. Okay? some money sticking there, guys. Thank you for shopping here. Bye. Alright, his wallet's empty and he's going home with his shop. We should definitely get this person to eat. Just look at that. Where is it? Oh, here. See? We've done our first cut. Who is next? Whee! Strawberry, you've got your wallet. And you're ready to go, aren't you? So what might he need? We don't know. So we're going to make him a red apple. That's what he says he needs. A red apple. Plus a lot of important things he needs. Well, he's got his wallet, and that's important. Because you can't leave without paying, can you? No. That's would be cruel. Instead of being nice. I like nice. I don't like cruel. I do not like cruel. So that's why we're not going to be cruel and take anything you don't need. Isn't that right? Don't take anything without paying or anything like that. Excuse me, let's just leave that there. Let's put that there. Push it down. Cut and then take out this. Here. Play-Doh. Yes. Play-Doh now. Alright, we don't need this one anymore. That was half. So we're going to push and push it in. Push it in there. An apple he needed. He needed an apple. Isn't that right? So let's plop it in his shopping cart. What else do you think he needed? I don't know, but one way to find out. Watch the video, and you'll learn more about these toys. Oh, and we've got a really cool thing in the next video. So, that'll give you a question mark is a question mark. You can't solve it until you say it. Hi. I'm not a pirate, so that looks cool. So that's what he needs. So I'm going to make him a banana and make it be a perfect banana banana. Ow! That looked weird. We'll take that off. We're not ported, so we know what we've done. And we know what we've done wrong. We've not done nothing wrong. Isn't that right? Gone. Our banana is perfect. Let's just plop it in his shopping cart. And he's finished shopping, guys. Do you think he has shopped? He shopped well. So, let's make him another. Let's make him a credit card. Aw, there's not enough for a credit card. There's only a little shop for Teeny. We need credit card. But if we roll it out, more Play-Doh. Just give it patience. And we've rolled it out. So, cut this piece off. It's okay if you use just the other person's credit card. That's okay, because then it's always better if you have one. So, let's take off the top part of it. We're going to push and insert it inside of the Play-Doh making machine. And it's so much fun. I don't even use the next one. Oh, here. Well, that was not expected. It goes to that. Mom, that's how much it's supposed to be. Guess how? I see it written over on the pocket. So, you want to subscribe if you want to. So, where'd that thing go again? Got a bit of trouble bumping into my mom. Add that again, and then we're going to add that again. See? And 2 lines should be enough. So then we give it to our person. He thinks it's $500 million. It's not $500 million. So, if you need help, always have it. That wasn't expected. Here we are. Oh, ow. Let's slice this in half in case you might need to cheese again. Oh, the yellow. We'll put it in there in case we need it again. Something. Close the cap. And here we can have a yellow piece to roll it up. Roll, 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 roll. Okay. Then slice, slice. And just put it there. I was doing the banana. That almost went right through my color. Curling. I'm not curling. That banana turned out pretty well. Not almost well. Let's just set it there to the side. Carrot. Well, there's no orange, but I guess we could use yellow. I mean, it doesn't make sense. I guess we should probably put the cutter in and then cut off the excess. Good idea? So, guys, I'm going to put it in the bin. Wait, that's a shopping bag. Oh, I get it now. I put the item in here, not in there. The other one goes here. And put it in. Oh yeah, I know what I was going to do. Guess what I'm cutting off this part? I'm going to be making it out of here. So, I cut off this piece and it seems ready to put the milk carton over it and take the excess. And our first customer is going to be Penguin. Penguin. I meant to say pink. I'm just getting all mixed up of names. Penguin. What do you need? You need milk. Do it very slowly. The carton's label. Here, gently. Be gently. Oh, I made it a little wiggly. Look
That's cute.
It's got a label.
Yeah.
And it's got a label. Oh, I meant to put it here first. And the banana is going to be yellow. So, I'm going to put that white in there for a minute. For a while until we finish our groceries. And let's put on the favorite is that color. What am I going to do next with the yellow? I don't remember. Groceries might be need. We might need a carrot milk. Let's write them. So I know milk is white. So we're going to get the white for milk. Milk. Open the milk. This milk. We're going to leave some for the credit card. So we're going to half it. Leave some for this and then some for the credit card. Alright guys, I may be in America, but some of my friends made it. Little Penguin made it all the way to America. And of course Strawberry made it all the way. And Croissant made it all the way by flying. And these are the customers. And they're going to buy what they need. So what do you think they might need? This should go there and this should go there. I don't know why there's... And here is the full set itself. I think there's a wallet. Is it PLAYDOH wallet or is it a slice of meat? I love meat. Stop saying it. Ooh, money in 2 quarters. That's cool. And a PLAYDOH credit card. And another 2 bottle water. It looks like a slicey meat. I can't eat meat raw, can I? No. So set that aside. Where's the scanner go? I think I'll just put the scanner right here. Or where do I put this scanner? I'll probably just put it here.